A local mother is still looking for answers and accountability in the death of her son 4 years after it happened. This is Tamarquis Phillips. He died inside the Butner Federal Prison in May 2017, Jamie.
WBTV's chief investigative reporter Nick Oxner is speaking now with Phillips' mother, new at 6 o'clock. She says her years-long quest to get justice in her son's death has faced countless delays, even though the reason he died is clear.
These pictures of Tamarquis Phillips are all this mother has to remember her son. Robin Phillips keeps them at her home in Kings Mountain, where she fights to understand why her son died behind bars.
The chaplain called me and told me that this Miss Phillips. I said, yes, it is. And they said that, I'm sorry to tell you that we found your son unresponsive. The first thing that I said, did he have a seizure? Did he take his medication? He said, we don't know.
Tamarquis had a seizure disorder, the result of a bad car wreck years earlier. He was ordered to serve a federal prison sentence on drug charges at Butner, specifically because of its medical facilities. But this lawsuit, filed on Phillips' behalf in federal court, claims the staff at Butner failed to give him his medication when he arrived.
He didn't have it on the 16th, he didn't get it on the 17th, and he didn't get it on the 18th, and he didn't get it on the 19th. And on the 20th of May, they found my son dead.
Phillips' cause of death is listed as a seizure. The lawsuit says prison staff falsely listed the death as natural causes in internal prison records after the incident. It's the same prison where 4 employees were indicted last year for making false statements in 3 other unrelated inmate deaths. And also the same prison where a federal class action lawsuit was filed last year challenging the prison's mishandling of COVID-19 that led to dozens of inmates dying.
Your son's death could have been prevented.
It could have been. That is a hard statement, killed my son, and this a fact. They killed my son. It was told to me from fellow inmates that he was asking the guards that he needed his medication.
In an email, a spokesman for the Federal Bureau of Prisons said the agency did not comment on pending litigation. Meanwhile, Robin Phillips will continue to wait in hopes a judge will finally rule on her lawsuit, the only avenue she has left to get justice for her son's death.
They're still living, and my son is gone. And these people that didn't handle my son fairly, their children are still alive. My son is dead. They have their children.
Reporting in Butner, North Carolina, Nick Oxner, WBTV on your side.